Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Dear students, let us come back to our English class. Today, we learn about the lesson from main reader, expert detective. So, what do you mean by expert detective? The person, expert means whatever we suppose we give to somebody something, everything they do it properly. We call them, he's a very expert person. Even it will be very difficult task, but they do it. Such a people we call them as an expert person. Any work, whatever maybe we try, but we may not be able to do it. Maybe a very hard task, but they fulfill it. Such a people will call them as an expert. Detective means one who finds out the things secretly. You know, when the criminal, some murdering place taking place, or some thief, somebody went to their house, absence of them, they stolen all the gold, everything, and what the police will do, they go and investigate the matter, and they investigate the matter secretly, and they will do it publicly. They go in front of the house, people will watch. At the same time, what they do, without if they have doubt on somebody, what they do, without their knowledge, they secretly investigate themselves. Secretly, they try to find out the truths. You might have seen like this so many cinemas, or you might have experienced even nearby our house, or we might have heard, or we might have read the story about the detective stories, how the people are finding out. Here we learn about the detective, how the children are going to find out about the person. On page number 85, please open your textbook on page number 85. As we walked back towards the clinic, 7 said. So before that we read. Here, Nisa, the boy of 7, also called 7. Nisa, his name is 7. His name is Nisar, but they also call him as a 7. 7 means not the number. Why they call him as a 7? Because also called 7 because his name means the 7th note on the musical scale. Why they call him as a 7? This name in the musical, those are learning the musical, they will be knowing what is the meaning of that one. So when they learn the music note, 7th word is Nisad, means it is a 7th syllable. That is the reason they also call him as a 7. And his 10-year-old sister Maya, who is with him, his sister, elder sister Maya, older sister Maya, and very curious about one Mr. Nath. They both of them are going to work as a detective, and they both are so much worried about Mr. Nath. Then one day the children marble rolls into Mr. Nath's room, and Nisad gets a chance to see him. Is he a crook on the run? Why is his face badly scared? Why has he had no friends? In order to find out what they do, one day they were just throwing the marble, playing the stone. The marble went to this house. When they went into room, and they found this man, and how he was, and his face was damaged. There were so many marks, were the band marks, the scars. So they thought maybe he's a crook, means one who cheated the police and ran away, escaped from the police. They thought, why is his face badly scarred? Why he has no friends? What is the reason his face looks like that? Why he has no friends? Nobody comes to see him. These are the questions are in their mind. So Nisad's mother, a doctor, knows Mr. Nath as a patient who is very polite. So this Mr. Nath was under the treatment of Nisad's mother. So he is a doctor in her clinic. This Mr. Nath is taking the treatment, but he is staying somewhere, he takes the treatment, so they want to find out, but according to his mother, their mother, he is a good man. So let us see what they are going to, how they are going to find out. As we walked back towards the clinic, 7 said, he doesn't look anything like a monster. And they were walking back towards a clinic. When they were going to clinic, their mother's hospital, he doesn't look anything like a monster. Monster means what? It is a demon. Clinic means it is a small hospital. Monster means it is a like a devil's spirit or ghost. demon. He is telling, his brother Nisad is telling, he doesn't look like a demon, Maya. But did you see how thin he is? Maybe he is very poor and can't afford to eat. As they were going back to mother's clinic, when they met this man, the Maya, Nisad is telling to his sister Maya, I think he doesn't look like a monster. I think he is very thin man. Maybe he has nothing to eat. He is maybe a very poor man. He may not have the money to eat. He is telling to his sister. He can't be poor if he is a crook on the run. Crook means a cheat. When the police, suppose when we do something, when the police come to arrest us, we escape from their police stand and we run away. So she is telling that he may not be a poor. I don't feel so that he may be a poor man, but I feel that probably he got millions of rupees stashed away somewhere in that room. I don't feel things. He is a poor man. He may be escaped from the police hands. By the time police might shoot at him, maybe that is a mark for him. But I feel so. I believe that he may be having so many millions of rupees stashed away somewhere in that room. He may be hide and hid and kept so many millions of rupees in his room. She is telling that is her opinion. Do you really think he is a criminal, Maya? He doesn't look like one. Nisad looked doubtful. And immediately Nisad is telling, do you think that he is a criminal? Criminal means one who does the wrong thing and they kill or whatever maybe, and they does the wrong people, the wrong thing, we call them as a criminal. So he is thinking criminal because spoiling the life of others and pulling the girls of others and killing, such people call them as a criminal. But see, he says, I don't feel so that this man is a criminal, and he doesn't look also like that. And saw this, but in a doubtful way he is looking at him. Of course, he is 1-7, I said. Of course, she is telling, but I believe that he is one of the crooked and he is a cheat and he is a criminal, she is telling. And he certainly isn't starving. Mr. Mehta told us that Ramesh brings his meals up from that restaurant downstairs. And I believe that he is not starving. Starving means without food living. I don't believe that also, because Mr. Mehta told me that from the restaurant every day, first a hotel, he brings and gives food for him. So he may not be starving for the food, he is telling. Next, but Maya, Mr. Mehta told us he doesn't work anywhere, so how can we possibly have money to buy for food, Nisa said. But his brother Maya is asking, Mr. Mehta, who takes food for this fellow from the restaurant, and Mr. Mehta said he doesn't go for anywhere work. He's remaining at home. Then how can he have the money to pay the money and buy the food for him? I don't think so. He will not have money. Exactly, I exclaimed. Exactly means absolutely what you are telling is right. But he must have lots of money hidden somewhere. I believe that he may be hiding and keeping some money somewhere. Maybe in that trunk in his room, it is probably full of silver and gold and jewels. And he's telling maybe the room where he's staying, there is a one trunk, big box is there. In that box maybe there may be money might have kept, he might have hidden kept, he's telling. What rubbish Nisad interpreted. What stupid interpreted means when they are speaking immediately, when somebody is speaking immediately we stop them by telling no, it is not like that way. So it is telling what is rubbish things, what stupid things you are talking. I know I am right, stupid. He knows, yes I know I am right, but stupid. I told him. By the way, 7, did you see his scars? Scars means the mark. When we burn our hands or something, there will be a mark will be present. I couldn't, it was too dark, but I bet he caught them during a shootout with a police or something. And she's telling, did you see some marks are on his body? And I feel that since it was it also too dark, I couldn't see properly, but I feel that maybe he has done some mistakes and he was escaping from the police. That time the police might have shot him, that maybe the mark is studying, he might have escaped from the police. Mummy told us quite clearly they were burnt stairs, Nisad said family. And he's telling very strongly, he's telling, you know what mother told? Mother told that is a burned. So due to some fire, something might have burned. So she's telling it is not the police shoot, gun shoot, but it is a burned. So some meanings I'll write it on the board. Monster. Stashed away. Hid safely. Criminal. Lawbreaker. Lawbreaker means what we are not supposed to do, we do it. Yes or no? We have no right to kill anybody, we have no right to steal the things. So such kind of things when they are doing, we call them as a criminal. They break course beyond the rules and they break the laws. Interrupted. Hindering. Burn scars. Scars means marks on the body, maybe marks of burning. Due to burning, there is a marks on the body. So let us go for the next paragraph. Perhaps the police had to set his house on fire to force him out. I suggested. Seville looked unsure. And this girl is telling me, so what she's telling, Maya is telling, maybe in order to come out of me, he may be hiding and sitting in the room. To make him come out, the police might have put the fire in his house, so his face might have got burned like that. He is telling, Maya is telling. So up to here we see that Maya is always looking at him as a criminal, whereas the Nisha is considering him, the Seven is considering him as a simple man. He feels he has towards him some sensitive towards him, he has some concern for him, whereas this girl is looking as in a negative point. Her thinking is, way of thinking is different. On the Monday following Mama's birthday, Seven went alone with her to the clinic at Grigaram as I was spending the evening with a school friend. When they returned, Nisad told me he had been to see Mr. Nath, and I felt most annoyed that I hadn't been there. So one day, Monday, his uncle's birthday, his mother's birthday, due to that one what he did, he went alone with his mother to the clinic, and this girl was playing with her companions and friends. And when they returned, he told him, when the people came from the clinic, he told his sister Nisad told that I went to see the Mr. Nath and I felt most annoyed, but I had been there. And when I told him that I met him, immediately she got angry with me and she said that I was not there in that place. She missed that she couldn't see Mr. Nath, so she was annoyed, she was so much angry. Seven had been quite upset about Mr. Nath's gaunt appearance and was sure that he was starving. And when Seven told him that gaunt means appearance, his look, he's very thin man, the way he was thin, very thin. And when he saw this man is very thin, the appearance means his look was very lean. And when he saw him as a thin man and was sure that he was starving, from that I can say that he is really starving for the food. He told me that he had knocked loudly on Mr. Nath's door that evening and said, "Open the door quickly, Mr. Nath." And what he told me, he went and knocked at the door of the Mr. Nath, and I asked him to open the door quickly. So here, annoyed means angry. Very thin. The man had opened it and asked him, "Lost another marble?" He had obviously recognized my brother. "No," said Nisar. He had taken the man's hand in his own and thrust a bar of chocolate into it. And when my brother went and knocked at the door, this man opened the door and asked him whether he has put the marble, the stone, into the house. But he had obviously recognized my brother. I believe that obviously means clearly. He might have recognized my brother clearly. That is the reason he might have asked like that whether he put the stone. "No," said Nisar. But Nisar told that no. He had taken the man's hand. What the Nisar did? He took the hand. He catch hold of that man, Mr. Nath's hand, and he put some chocolates in his hand, and he came. "Did you get a chance to peek into the trunk, Seven?" I asked. And she's asking to his brother Maya. Maya is asking to his brother, "Did you look into that trunk what is kept in his room?" Nisad looked disappointed. Disappointed means he hopeless. He wants to see something but he couldn't see. He was so much upset. And Nisad looked disappointed. "He didn't even ask me in," he said. Then he smiled. "He didn't even ask me to come into his room. Then how can I go?" Then he smiled. "But I did find out something, Maya. I went down to the restaurant where Ramesh works and talked to him. But when I knocked at his door, he asked me whether you have put the stone, throw the stone inside, but he didn't allow me to get into the house. Not so it was very disturbing for me. At the same time, what I have found some message for you." What is the message? The man Ramesh who is taking the food for him from the restaurant, I went and met him and I talked to him yesterday. "Good for you, Mr. Detective," I said, patting him on the back. I hope questioning him properly. And immediately what she said is, she's appreciating his brother by patting. Patting means when somebody do something, we encourage them like this. We will be encouraging them. So she was doing like that and she's telling, "You're a good detective." She's calling Mr. Detective. "I hope you might have questioned him properly, she's telling. Seven looked pleased. Ramesh told me that he takes 2 meals for Mr. Nath every morning and evening and 2 cups of tea, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. And he told my brother told me that who is the brother, whose brother it is? Maya's brother. The Maya is the narrator plus as well as one of the detectives. He is working as a detective. And he told, what his brother told? No, Ramesh told me that he takes 2 meals every day. He is taking 2 meals for him. One is in the morning and one is in the evening, and also 2 cups of tea, that is one in the morning and one in the afternoon. Ramesh says he is not a very particular about what he eats. It is always the same food: 2 chapatis, some dal and vegetable. Mr. Nath pays cash and tips well. And he told him that his sister, and he takes only 2 meals. One is in the morning and the other one is evening. Tea in the morning and afternoon. He doesn't take the food in the afternoon. And not only that, he is not worried about the particular foods. But what we do, we always ask our parents, "I want only this curry, I want this curry. If you prepare this only, we will eat." But he is not like that. He is not a particular about the curries or the food. He takes only chapati, some dal and vegetable curries. And not only that, he pays some money for the food as well as he gives some money. Tips means he is giving money for that. Mr. Ramesh also for bringing the food for him. These are the information he collected from the Ramesh. He told his sister. Ramesh told me something very strange. There were some strange things. He told me, Maya, 7 added. almost every Sunday he carries 2 lunches to Mr. Nath's room, and the same man is with him each time. He is tall, fair, stout, and wears spectacles. Ramesh says his visitor talks a lot, and unlike Mr. Nath who hardly speaks. And not only that, again one more thing I came to know what he is telling. Every Sunday some visitor comes to see him. Actually this Mr. Nath takes food only in the morning and night, but every Sunday he takes lunch in the afternoon, and Ramesh carry 2 meals in the afternoon. One is for him and one is we don't know whether his friend or somebody is coming to meet him, and that man is a very tall man and a very fair and very stout man, and he is wearing spectacles, whereas the visitor one who comes to meet the Nath, he speaks a lot, but the Nath is always very less in speaking. He is very quiet. Well done, Nisad, I told him. Now that we have made some progress with our inquiries, we'll have to sort out all the facts, like expect detectives so that we can trap the group. Now she is appreciating her brother. Well done, Nisad. Now we have made some progress in collecting points, and what are the points we collected? Let us analyze into that one, and so that we will sort out that we'll come to know what are the points. We'll discuss about the points, what are we quoted, so that what happens, we can also collecting information, how can we go further and we can become a good expect detective in our life. So that what we can do, we can trap this man by collecting the information so far, whatever they got. If we gather them and we analyze them, we look into that one. When we look into that one, what will come to know? We'll come to know that we'll come to know how can we can catch this man. This group means, here I told you, a cheat, one who is running away from the police, when the police are trying to catch him. So according to her thinking, he is a crook. She is a crook. Next, how do you go on Maya, 7th side? How can you possibly imagine he is a crook? He looks so ordinary. And he is asking Maya, his sister, how can we proceed like this? And I don't think so. He is a crook. According to me, I can't even imagine that he is a cheater. According to me, he is a very simple and ordinary man. He is telling, criminals can look quite ordinary, smarty, retorted. Did you see the picture of the Hyderabad housebreaker in the papers yesterday? He looked like any man on the street. Nisad looked doubtful, and she is telling to his brother, criminal can also, how they look later, they look like an ordinary man and they are smart in everything and retorted. Immediately with angry she is replying to his brother, criminals also can behave like an ordinary and a smart person. And not only that, did you see the picture yesterday paper? Did you read in the Hyderabad? There was one man went to the house and he has taken all the things, but how he looks like a ordinary man. He doesn't. There was no difference. We can't even identify that he is a thief or he is a proof criminal. But he was like a ordinary man. But what he has done, he has stolen the things. So when she said that word, immediately Nisad had doubtful on him. The monsoons broke the next day. Dark clouds accompanied by blinding flashes of lightning and roaring rolls of thunder burst with all their fury, flooding the streets with a heavy downpour. Schools was to reopen after the summer holidays, but no traffic could move through the flooded roads, and there was an unexpected holiday. I thought I had spent the time usefully. I sat at my desk in our bedroom with a sheet of paper before me. So the monsoon, suddenly the rainy season started next day, and there was a dark cloud, and the cloud was accompanied by the thundering and lightning. There was a lightning and thundering heavy, and thunder was like a thundering, how it was like an angry way. It was thundering and lightning was very heavy, and not only that, the streets were filled with the rain water, and completely that rain was pouring, like a heavy rain was pouring down. And because the schools are supposed to open the next day, but due to this rain, what is happening, after the summer holiday, the schools are supposed to open now. Now what is happening? It is heavily raining everywhere. Water, vehicle cannot move, the people cannot walk on the road. But no traffic could move through the flooded roads, and there was an unexpected holiday. Because of that, what happened? Suddenly we got a holiday due to this heavy rain. I thought I had spent the time. I feel that I was thinking to myself, I have spent my time usefully. During these days, I feel that I have spent my time in a useful way. I sat at my desk in our bedroom. So there was in my bedroom, there was a desk for me to sit and write. So I sat, and in front of me I kept one paper, and I was behind to write, says telling. So up to here we close the class here. So just we will revise what we learned. Here we could see the three characters of the people. One is three of them are children. One is the narrator, and one is the Nisad. His name, other name is called Seven. One is his sister Maya. Maya is elder sister to him. The Maya only behaves like a narrator also. So here what happened? They went to clinic one day, to their mother's clinic, and when they went, they could see one person, Mr. Nath. And when they saw that one, his brother, her brother is having pity for him, whereas the Maya was feeling that he is a criminal. She is feeling. Why she felt a criminal? His face and all was burned, and she was telling he is a criminal. He might have escaped from the police. She was telling to his brother, but his brother was not agreeing that one. And his brother said, no, I don't feel that he is not a criminal. And how can the marks? Our mother told the marks are from the because of the due to burned. Because of the burning, we could see the scars on his body. He told his sister, but his sister said not because of that one. Maybe he may be hiding and sitting somewhere. In order to come out of the house, the police might have put the fire so that he might have got banned, as he was telling. But still he was not willing to believe. When he looked at him first time, the way he was very thin, he was really feeling bad for him. And he's telling maybe he's a very poor man. He has no money even to buy and eat, he was telling. But she is telling no, he is not like that. He may be having lot of money in his house. And at the same time, one day when he went to visit his mother, he met him, and he told his sister that I met him and I collected some information. What is the information? Where he is staying in that room, there is one hotel is there. From there, Mr. Ramesh brings the food for him every day, and he pays the money for the food, as well as he gives the money to that fellow for bringing the food. Not only that one, and every Sunday some visitors to come to see him. When he said all these points, immediately she was so happy. She is telling that we have collected some information. Let us sort out that one, let us analyze that one, and we go forward in order to catch that man, she is telling. Then, and she is telling again, she is telling he is a criminal, but he is not willing to believe that one. And he is telling how the criminal, he is telling he is very ordinary, looks like an ordinary man, but she is giving example for that one. Ordinary people also, the thief also behave like an ordinary. You might have read in the paper yesterday what happened in Hyderabad. She was explaining to his brother. And now summer holiday is over. Next day the school supposed to reopen. Suddenly there was a heavy rain, everywhere flood. So the holiday they have announced the holidays. And she was sitting in her room with a writing board on the table. So this much we learn. Balance we learn in the next class.